Hello YouTube, what is going on? So it's vlog number 19 already, and you've just witnessed 3 shoots, meaning we had one shoot where we did do a shoot with Halloween, because it's Halloween period. Then we did another one with Smokebombs, and the third one is a beauty shoot. And then in between there was some drone footage going on from a sunset. Yeah, so the first shoot we did was the shoot with Laura and Shana, Halloween shoot with Anne-Sophie. She did the makeup for both of them. We wanted to mix some things up, so we got some stabbing going on. Yeah, then the second shoot was the smoke bombs. With the smoke bombs, just keep in mind that when you're using those, you only have X amount of time before they actually diffuse. Meaning, if we're doing this, these were high density bombs, meaning you got 90 seconds that the smoke comes out and then it's done, it's gone. Yeah, so we started with igniting it and then the wind changes direction, which was really a mess because you only have 90 seconds. So the wind changed direction coming from behind the model direction me, meaning all the smoke just came direction camera. I didn't see the model anymore. So you see me running up and down on a little cliff, let's say, on the edge of the cliff. But when I'm shooting with a 24-70 or anybody, it's really important to keep in mind that lenses create distortions. If you're shooting from up high going down to a model, you form the model, meaning you make her smaller. So if you got a model who has long legs, don't do that. So I had to go up down to change some angles. Sometimes the wind changes again, so it went next to the model, and that's when I took the two images you've seen in the vlog. The final image was a straightforward image where the model Ilona is actually in the smoke, but we just see enough from her face to actually have the image go through as being okay. After that shoot, we did the drone footage, which was a sunset here at my location because I'm located pretty low. So when we put the drone up high in the sky, you can see a nice tree line, and because it's autumn, there's a lot of orange, yellow, brownish colors going on. So a little footage in there was when the drone actually tilted 90 degrees down. You can see the pine trees up high and then the little trees in beneath, which have all different colors, which is lovely to see. And then in the end we did a beauty shoot with little white pearls. Nele was the model, Anne-Sophie did the makeup. So we started out with a clean beauty setup, meaning one light, one model, two V-flats, left, right, white, to bounce a little bit of white light going on the model. Then we used the deep Octa with a deflector in it, so it's the little plastic plate you put in front of the modeling light and the flash tube to diffuse the hotspot. We used that, then we put another bevel in front of it, and then in the end we had the normal diffusion attached. Hear the computer going. So that's that. But then later on I've decided I wanted to take a kicker, which was the beauty dish, the big beauty dish from Elinchrom, combined with the sock in front of it, so that became the key light, and then the deep Octa became the fill light. In the movie you see a strip light on the right side. There was a moment when I thought like I could use it to give a little bit of hair light onto the model, but I didn't do it anyway because I don't like hair lights at all. So yeah, we got the beauty dish going on, we got the deep Octa going on. You see us changing from like a normal beauty setup up till a setup where the model has all white pearls attached to her. That's something creative, it's your decision, you don't have to do it at all, but sometimes it's good to try new things. We also used a rose. Just keep in mind when you're using flowers, season is really dependent on what flowers you can get. And yeah, that's it for this week. And if you got questions about setups you've seen, things you want to see in the future, I've already seen people mentioning dramatic portrait. Somebody else mentioned something, so we keep that in mind, and in the next future updates we will integrate them in the vlog or do a separate segment on our YouTube channel. Give me some likes, thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and then I'll see you next week. Bye bye.